Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Roseski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Excited to have you all here. I'm sorry that this is a little late. I'm going through your grades right now. I apologize for the grades. Yeah, it's just been a rough week. My son ended up going to the hospital. He got sick real bad, and it's been real tough. So I'm gonna have them done by today, as best as possible. He's been doing a little better. Other than that, yeah, again, I'm so sorry for everything. I will have everything ready to go, but I figure I'd talk about this since it kind of ties into your assignments and your discussions. So let's get into it. So visual techniques with ethos, logos, and pathos. So persuasion techniques and emotional responses really do a great job of really focusing on developing visual techniques to persuade people, and you tend to develop visuals based on three concepts: ethos, logos, and pathos a lot of times, and they all have different ways on how visuals are built. So with ethos is focused on credibility. So a lot of times when you see like images with like a very credible person that stands up to it and really just like says to get this product, it's because that person is credible enough. They use this product. They're like spokespersons about this, and that's how they do this. So a lot of times they try to bring people or images or some things that bring credibility. It establishes this trust that allows your audience to trust the message being presented. Credibility can also be established through like person's reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth, and using a source of credibility can also help persuade audience as well. For example, I liked it when a long time ago when Brandon Ruth was Superman, when they did the Superman Returns movie, the Superman movie. But a really interesting point about this was milk. Milk was always, be strong. Milk does a body good. It makes you stronger. So, they put a picture of Superman on there. So Superman got strong with milk. Again, fictional character, but still using the credibility of the character Superman drinking milk and why it's important. That's a big thing there. Now, unlike ethos, logos is also another second persuasive element, and it uses logic. So, unlike credibility and ethical aspects, this uses more logical aspects. And so, once you've established the credibility in your image using something that makes it trustworthy, then the argument's got to be presented. It's got to make sense as well. So, to be logical, any argument is centered around the ability of an audience to draw conclusions from the information presented. And conclusions are based on concise and straightforward information such as facts, statistics, graphs, charts, and data. These all kind of play a part with each other. A/B comparisons are always really great. That's not how that should have been. I'm sorry. There we go. Yeah, like A/B tests, results of research data, all these like examples and numbers and resources that help kind of define everything really showcase what's going on with everything about that. So yeah, it's when you start bringing in numbers with the credibility, then you've added more trustworthy and persuasion into the elements. Now, once you've covered ethos and logos, then you can throw pathos into this. And pathos is the final appeal. This is another technique that you can use with visual. This is focused on emotion. So we've talked about ethical aspects, logical aspects, and now for these visual techniques for persuasion, now we have to think about emotional. So this triggers emotional concepts, and so this is where you see a lot of like, organizations that deal with like the hunger or the starving or animals. They use like a saddened face or a saddened animal or something like that to make it look like it's appealing. These are things that they use pathos to trigger those emotions. And emotion is a persuasive appeal that captures the attention and engages the audience. And pathos plays to those senses based upon our memories and our experiences. So, and our perceptions themselves. So it means connecting to the audience not only verbally, but also visually. And it's quite powerful as well. All right. Other than that, that's pretty much it. You have your discussion supposed to do tonight. You also have your week 5 assignment due. Keep in mind, this week, let's take a look here real quick. Probably take a look here. So let's go with it. Sorry, I'm going to pull that off. I was working on grades. Don't want anybody to look at that. So let's take a look in your calendar this week. So I just want you to let you know, lecture is actually on Monday this week because you guys everybody only has 2 days this week because the last day of class is Tuesday. So you have to make sure, then you go into the next week right after that. So one of the things I'd like you to do is we have lecture on Monday. If you can't make it, it's cool. I'll have the recording on that night. So that way you can have it available for you. But that's pretty much it. So, but keep in mind, class is Tuesday. We're going to be focusing on ethics. Now, keep in mind, all your assignments are due on Tuesday. This includes your initial post, your discussion, your reply post, and your lecture assignment, and everything else. We have a very short week, so just keep that in mind about that. Other than that, that's all I got. Just keep in mind of the calendar changes, and again, my apologies. I'm going to send out a message to let everybody know I've been having some family issues this week. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just be safe, have fun, enjoy. Let me know if you need anything. Again, my apologies about the grades. You will have all the grades done by tonight. Again, sorry about that, and we'll go through it from there. Again, thank you so much. Much appreciated. And take it easy. All right, thanks, guys. I'm so sorry again. I'll let you know what happens if my boy gets okay. He's getting a little bit better. He's just having a rough day. And I think he caught a very bad virus. But that's pretty much it. All right, everybody, be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody a little bit later. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, my apologies for the grades, and take it easy. Thanks, guys.